What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is still at home, staying safe and watching loads of my YouTube videos during this lockdown. I have uploaded lots of fantastic vegan recipes, so please let me know if you do try them out. So today I'm going to show you how to make sweetened vanilla almond milk within 5 minutes. It's that simple and there's no soaking of the almonds required. And there's zero waste, so we will be using the almond pulp as well. So you will need a blender, some pitted dates, vanilla essence, about 4 cups of water, and 1 cup raw almonds. Basically you just throw everything into the blender, a cup of almonds, depending on how sweet you want it, or not at all. You can add as many dates as you want, so I'm just going to add 2, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, almost done, might as well, and 4 cups of water. I'm just going to do this in batches. Now we're just going to blend this. Fantastic. Okay, so next you're going to need a bowl, colander, and whatever towel you have. So now we're just going to strain the almond milk. It smells delicious. Okay, I'm just going to add the rest of the water in here. I don't know if you can see. Just going to wait a few minutes for this to sift through. And then we have almond milk. So you can help speed up the process by just moving around the dishcloth and squeezing. Look at that color. So I've squeezed all of the liquids out and I'm just left with this pulp. Ta-da! So we have 4 cups of almond milk, and this will last me about 2 weeks because I like almond milk in my coffee. Awesome stuff. Store the almond milk in a glass container in the fridge. It should last about 2 weeks. So we have this much pulp and I'm going to show you what to do with it. So just spread the almond pulp onto a baking mat and bake it until it has dehydrated and you get almond flour. To make the cookies you will need the almond pulp, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons melted coconut oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Mix all the ingredients together and use an ice cream scoop to evenly scoop out balls of the mixture. Bake the biscuits for 10 minutes or until golden brown. Enjoy your cookies and milk and keep smiling.